Welcome back to Kay's Cozy Kitchen. If you're looking for a healthy and quick breakfast option that will keep you full throughout the day, overnight oats are a great choice, and today I'm going to show you 3 of my favorite recipes. And to start, the base ingredients are old-fashioned oats, non-fat Greek yogurt, chia seeds, maple syrup or honey, and your choice of milk. And the first flavor I'll be showing you is banana bread. So here I am mashing half of a ripe banana into a bowl, trying to get this as smooth as possible. And once you're done, grab a jar or container and add in half a cup of oats, a tablespoon of chia seeds, a 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt, add in the smashed banana, a tablespoon of maple syrup, or your choice of sweetener. I prefer maple syrup for this recipe, a teaspoon of cinnamon, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, walnuts, and half a cup of milk, and then stir that together. And once all of the ingredients are combined, put this in the fridge for at least 3 to 4 hours or overnight before consuming. And when you do take it out, you can add some additional toppings like banana slices. I'm using a spoonful of granola here and a drizzle of maple syrup. And this next recipe is a mix between peach pie and peaches and cream. So here I'm just dicing up some of that fruit, grabbing my jar and adding in half a cup of oats, a tablespoon of chia seeds, a 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt, some of those diced peaches, a teaspoon of brown sugar, a teaspoon of cinnamon, a dash of nutmeg, vanilla extract, a tablespoon of maple syrup, and half a cup of milk, and stir that together. And I top this with some Cool Whip or whipped topping, some peaches, and cinnamon sugar. And this last one is caramel apple, which is one of my go-tos if I'm having a sweet craving or just wanting a healthier dessert. And this is about the same for the rest of the recipes: half a cup of oats, a 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, a teaspoon of cinnamon, a sprinkle of salt, a tablespoon of caramel sauce, add in those diced apples, half a cup of milk, and a tablespoon of chia seeds, which I actually almost forgot, and mix until combined. And I top this with some additional apples, a little cinnamon sugar, and caramel drizzle. And there you have it. Those are my 3 favorite overnight oats recipes. Please let me know if you enjoyed this video in the comments below. Like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you next time.